Hey everyone, welcome back to the Technomaly channel, where we go over crypto and we talk things crypto, and we go over everything regarding crypto, whether it's miners, current trends, spikes, or drops. We're going to go over it all. And the whole intent and purpose of this channel is to provide information and education to get everybody aware of what's going on in the crypto world. So today I would like to take a few minutes just to kind of discuss what's going on with the Crypto.com CRO token. Biggest thing we've seen in the past week is we've seen this thing soar about 115%. As you're seeing right here on CoinBase.com, a week ago, the coin was sitting around 36 cents. And now we're sitting around 86 cents. We're talking about a $0.50 spike in price. That's an incredible jump. A lot of this has to do with the publicity that Crypto.com has been going forward with in regards to them advertising now with the UFC, and more recently with the Los Angeles Lakers Staples Center now being renamed the Crypto.com Arena. And we'll touch on that in a minute. Before we do so, please hit the subscribe button. And if you haven't done so, smash that like button. All right, so let's go ahead and press forward. Got one great article right here that talks about Crypto.com. So Crypto.com has been flying since the Arena deal. Where might the crypto find support? So Crypto.com is trading higher. It's been trading higher within the past week. It's a ripping cryptocurrency market. The coin has been pushing almost parabolic, and it looks like it could be starting to turn around. I don't see any turnaround. It has dropped a little bit, but if we take a look at the actual chart right here, you can see that it did spike around 91 cents, close to about 91 cents. It was up. And that was sometime today, actually. That was sometime today around 3 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. As we can see, the coin has retreated a little bit. It has gone down. It looks like it's starting to find a little bit of a ground right here. It's starting to stabilize right around in this area, around the 85, 86. It's starting to find some foundation here. But if we zoom out a little bit, you can see within the past day, this coin has grown an incredible amount. I mean, this is here we go. This is around the marking of midnight, and you can see the coin was sitting around 75 cents, and then it just jumped up. And then before that, the coin was sitting, around the 68 cents. But within a week, like I said, it's gained about 115, 116%. So moving on over to an article by themotleyfool.com. So what actually happened? Again, coin has surged an incredible amount in the 24-hour period that they're saying. This is from yesterday, by the way, the 22nd of November, 2021. The coin has surged more than 9% in a 24-hour period, ending at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The surge has firmly placed CRO as the 13th largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. And if we go over to CoinGecko.com, we can actually see that. We can see Crypto.com's coin is sitting in 13th place. It is neck to neck, running real close to that of Shiba Inu. I mean, here's Shiba Inu right here at 22 billion, and Crypto.com CRO token is sitting at 21 billion for market cap. Very close. We're talking about 800 million away, or 800 million difference. And that's not much further behind Dogecoin. Dogecoin is sitting at a market cap of 29 billion. So we're starting to catch some ground here. Unique thing about Crypto.com, though, is there is a actual finite amount of supply of tokens. Let's see if we can go ahead and click on that. Let's see if we can find that right here. Let's see. All right, so here's the Crypto.com CRO token a little bit more. The circulating supply right now is sitting around 25.2 billion coins circulating in supply. Total supply is around 30 billion or 30.2 billion. So we're about 5 billion off of that max supply. So what does that mean? Eventually, this token is going to be exhausted. There won't be any more. I'm very surprised that this coin actually, or this token, has actually about 80% already fulfilled the total supply available. But as we can see, there has been a lot of volume lately and a lot of buys on this. So let's take a look to see how many wallets are out there now. So moving on over to CoinMarketCap.com, we can still see that Crypto.com coin is in 13th place again. Very close to what is going on with our very neck to neck with Shiba Inu, that is, as far as the market cap. Let's go ahead and click on it here. We can take a look at the available wallets, and let's see if we see a trend there in the amount of holders that are jumping onto this coin. So here you can see again the overview of the coin. We can see it jumping up. And we can see it shooting up just today, an incredible amount. But let's take a look at the holders, like I said. Let's see what's going on with that. All right, so here we are. So a week ago, we had 128,000 wallets. And I'm sorry, this only goes up to the 22nd. So we see 138,000, almost 139,000. 5 days ago, 128,000. So we're talking about a 10,000 wallet gain there. Let's go back a little bit further. Let's go back a month. And so October 25th, we had 115,000 wallets. And November 15th, we had 125,000 wallets. So again, 10,000 wallets in a month, and now we've seen 10,000 wallets in a few days. So we're definitely starting to see more people jump on this. And look at this right here. We can definitely see back to August 26, 2021, we had 111,000 wallets. And here we are, November 22nd, 138,000. So we can definitely see November has been a very trendy month for this coin. We're starting to see more and more unique addresses starting to hold on to this coin. But where can you buy this coin? Well, let's take a look at the market. Let's see what we got on there. I can tell you from American standpoint, we can get this on CoinBase exchange. If you are a holder of, if you are a member of Crypto.com, you can buy it on there as well. And I think if you join up with Crypto.com, they will give you, I'll supply you with like a X amount of free CRO tokens, which obviously will go up in value. But I have been making my purchases on CoinBase, which is an American exchange. But here are all the list of markets or exchanges that you can actually buy CRO on. And there is a small variance in the price, as you can see here. But Coinbase is the one that I've been going with, and it's been doing fairly well for me. So let's look into the actual price prediction. Actually, before we jump into that, let me take a look, going back to that article we were just at real fast. So moving back into this, so as we can see, the surge that happened a few days ago, appears to be the continuation of the strong momentum regarding Crypto.com signing the largest ever naming rights deal in history. They paid $700 million to put their name on what's now known as the Staples Center, which will change on Christmas to the Crypto.com Arena. And if you guys are not from the Los Angeles area, the Lakers play at the Staples Center, the Los Angeles Kings play at the Lakers Center, the Los Angeles Clippers play at the Staples Center, and I believe the Los Angeles Sparks, the WNBA, play at the Staples Center. And on top of that, there are a lot of other venues there. For example, the Los Angeles Auto Show, a variety of different artists or performers will be playing at the Staples Center. So we're going to see a lot of publicity with Crypto.com, because if you hover over the Staples Center, a helicopter view, you'll see the Staples Center hologram right over the top of the building. And that's now going to read Crypto Arena or Crypto.com. Which is going to be very, very cool. And I believe the first day that this is taking place is going to be on the 25th, so Christmas Day, which I believe the Lakers are going to be playing a game that day. So on Christmas Day, do expect to see some change in the Staples Center, or see some change in the actual signage at the Staples Center, now going to be called the Crypto.com Arena, which is going to be great advertisement. So they're taking this mainstream. I see this coin rising in price as there is a limited supply of these coins, and they use this for their pay system. Definitely see this coin rising. So let's jump into price predictions real fast. I did find an article, price predictions, kind of just showing what they're expecting for the end of this year all the way to 2030. So as we see here, 2021, the minimum price they're looking at the end of the year, 77 cents, with a maximum price of 86 cents. We've already surpassed that as it stands right now. We saw 91 cents today. And again, we're starting to establish some ground around the 86 mark. At the end of 2022, they're predicting anywhere from $1.17 to $1.40. Let's fast forward this to 2025, where the token is expected to be anywhere from $3.41 to $4.11, and we'll jump again up 5 years to 2030, where we're expecting maybe the minimum price to be $22.89 up to maybe $27.76. Now, I don't have a crystal ball in front of me. I don't think any of us do, but with the amount of publicity that Crypto.com is pushing for and how they're making crypto more mainstream, I feel a lot more people are going to jump on this. And again, they use this for their pay system. Let's go back to Coinbase. I believe there's a real quick, brief overview of what this coin is used for. Crypto.com chain is the Ethereum token that powers Crypto.com Pay, a service that aims to allow users to pay for goods and services with cryptocurrency while recovering cashback rewards. And again, you can see here on Coinbase, there has been a lot of trading activity. 81% of those folks trading this coin have been purchasing this, while 19% have been selling. And again, this coin has been doing nothing but going up. I foresee this coin continuing to go up. We might hit a little resistance. We might establish a little bit of a solid ground where we consolidate, maybe near the 70-cent mark, maybe near the 50-cent mark. But from that point, I see this coin continually wanting to climb up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, this isn't financial advice, but if you haven't done so already, please hit that like button and smash that subscribe button. I greatly appreciate it. And until the next time, peace.